All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. I've had a massive amount of inquiries on this truck. 2007 Chevy Silverado, full crew cab, four-wheel drive. This is an LT3 truck, so it is decked out, loaded with leather, all that good stuff. Okay, it's got 219 mileage. Mechanically, extremely good shape. Okay, we traded in. It's got some bumps and bruises. Mechanically, it's been through our service shop. So mechanically, it's in outstanding shape. Ice cold AC. Everything works like it's supposed to. Drives good. Tires are fresh. They got 75% tread, something like that. This truck really just, I don't have the time to throw in the extra TLC. So you got some small body damage here and there. You got some light surface rust. I'm going to go in depth on this video so you guys can see it. I'm pricing this truck at $7,900. Again, mechanically, it is awesome. It's a four-door, four-wheel drive, factory Z71, loaded up with leather. So starting at the front, you got some hood peeling up here, clear coat, rock chips. You got some stuff right there on the front bumper, okay? Firestone rubber, 275, 70/18s. They still have plenty of tread left. Every bit of 50, 60% tread. The frame has basic surface rust. It's not like a PA truck where it's coated, you know, blah, blah, blah. You could clean the frame up pretty good. Some of these small stuff like this will come off. Like that's like extra wax. Maybe somebody's trying to wax it before. The majority of like the body down the side, if you put a little bit of TLC into the truck, it's gonna look really good, dude. And it's $7,500 or $7,900. Like it's cheap. You got some small scratches. Is that a scratch? No, like that's not even a scratch, dude. That's like shit I can flake off with my finger. So, you know, a lot of this is gonna clean up. I just don't have the time, dude. I got stacks of inventory there. I got stacks of inventory in the back, and I have freaking 50 vehicles out front, you know, pretty much ready for retail. So I'm just too busy. Spray and bed liner. Dude, look, $100 toolbox. It's got a dent in the rear bumper right there, or a dent in the rear quarter right there. The bumper has a little bit of rust from it being cracked and dented. Tailgate has a dent in it. So if you're looking for like a good hunt truck, like an everyday truck you can beat the shit out of and still be in a reliable drivetrain, you guys know these trucks, man. That you get 400,000 miles out of this truck. This fender, you have some rust bubbles coming through just on the very bottom, okay? Not that big of a deal. Slam some wider tire, or excuse me, slam some bigger tires on it. Put some fender flares on it. You know, maybe run some 1.5 inch, 2 inch spacers. Got a good scratch right there in the tailgate. This driver's door, passenger door, you know, those will buff up really nice. You got a dent right here. You could touch up those, you know, pop the dent a little bit. But again, you know, folks, we're in a day and age. You can't buy, like, these trucks have been worth this much money forever, and they don't get any cheaper. And I think you guys know, if this truck was mint condition, I mean, these trucks still bring like in the teens for something with 200K. So $7,900. You could barely buy a gosh damn zero turn lawnmower at Lowe's that does 8 miles an hour for less than this. You know what I mean? Leather interior. You got some light cracking right there. It's comfortable. I mean, she got the old plush 07 seats. Passenger seat, a lot better shape because it's not been sat in as much. You got WeatherTech floor mats. This thing's got a great sounding exhaust. I'm gonna get to that in just a second. The back seats, still really good shape. Headliner, we had, yeah, look, I mean, headliner, she looking fresh. Again, let me reiterate, it's mechanically excellent. Like, it's been through service, 140-point inspection, all the fluids checked or changed, you know, tie rods, ball joints, all of that stuff has to be in good shape for us to be able to resell it. If not, it gets replaced. So I'll have a service ticket on this truck as well. 219 on the clock. We got, I don't think, any lights on the dash anywhere. Now listen to this bitch rumble. Come on now. Oh yeah, she sound good. She sound good. I think they're running it maybe like cut off with no muffler or something maybe. I don't know. I ain't getting up underneath the bitch, but it sounds good. But no ticks out of the motor. Transmission smooth. So everything shifts the way it's supposed to. Mechanically, motor just like it's supposed to. Again, there's not much you can buy this day and age that is mechanically sound for $7,900. You're buying a full four-door truck, short bed Z71 with 219 that'll probably run you another 100,000 miles for 7,900 bucks. Dirt cheap. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, give me a call direct. 843-697-7501. Again, we're right here, DLUX Motorsports, Ladson, South Carolina. And also, if you guys want some of the work done by us, like body work, shit like that, I'll be more than happy to schedule that and get that stuff done and get it done at my cost, where it'll save you guys some money too, if you're looking to make it nicer. Other than that, till next time, next video, it's your boy Mark right here, DLUX Motorsports, Ladson, South Carolina.